Noah, what are you doing? Because Noah, Bailyn thinks it's really funny. Okay, show us how you cut Dad's hair.
And make it one flat. It's a clipper, Dad. Phoner clipper.
Is it a buzzer clipper?
It's a scissor. They're all done.
Thank you very much.
Noah, what do you think about giving some...
This is candy.
Oh, wow. That's my kind of haircut joint. My kind of clip joint. Peas are my candy.
Not yet, Daddy.
Oh, we're not done yet?
Dicks on it. We have to put dicks on it.
What's that?
Dicks is clippers. Rondo is the clip. We just have to do a little buzzer.
A little bit of buzzer.
A little buzzer.
Noah, where did you get your haircut today?
Baby, I'm clip joint. Baby, I'm clip joint.
And what did she put in your hair at the end?
Spice.
That's right, what color of spice?
Yellow, yellow.
Yellow spiky hair. Thank you for visiting Noah's clip joint.
Yeah!